Totally Care Floor Cleaner is free from bases, phosphates and gloss agents generally associated with floor cleaners, so it doesn't leave behind any residues. Those residues tend to attract dust and accelerate the wear of mechanically polished concrete surfaces. Totally Care Floor Cleaner is very easy to use. You can either put it in a mop and bucket, or you can use it in an industrial floor scrubbing machine. Before getting started, ensure that the dust and debris is clear from the floor. Totally Care can be applied using a mop and bucket. It's also suitable for industrial scrubbers. For every 10 litres of water, add 20 to 40 mils of Totally Care. Simply mop or scrub the surfaces with the diluted product and allow it to dry. Combine regular cleaning with Totally Care and frequent buffing with a tempo pad, and you have a maintenance system that will totally care for your mechanically polished concrete investment for a long time.